Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So we are finally on my last video for the theme of this month, which is basically me doing looks inspired by, or not really inspired, but recreations of other artists' work. But I guess the fun part about this is that the artist's work that I'm recreating are artists that do not have such large platforms, and this was kind of like a way of me trying to give them the exposure I feel like their work deserves. So I picked 4 girls from my Facebook. A lot of you guys sent in pictures. I wish I could have recreated everyone's look. Seriously, all the looks that I got were amazing. You guys are so talented, and I'm honestly thinking about doing this again, and then obviously picking another group of 4 girls because I had that many people send in looks, and it was just like, I was inspired, seriously. So my video today is going to be inspired or recreating a look done by, her name on Instagram is Slay by KMUA. And I really love the look that she did because it's with greens, and I haven't done a look using green. I've done blues, purples, pink, and green is kind of like the one color I haven't done. And I don't even know if I have a video using green, period. So this was, this looks really fun. I love the cut crease. I love the dramatic wing, because you guys know how I am with my dramatic wing. But yeah, this looks really, really good, and I'm so excited to recreate this. So this is her Instagram right here, and you guys can just take a look at her work and see, obviously she has a bunch of cute looks. And then this is the look that she sent in to my Facebook, so this is the look that I will be recreating, and I'm so excited because it looks so pretty. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just jump right into it and get started, guys. Alright, so I'm going to start with priming my face. You guys know I have dry skin, so typically I go in with moisturizers and primers, but Smashbox has a primer and a moisturizer. Okay. So this right here was made for somebody like me with my dry skin. It's called the Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisturizer. Alright, so I'm kind of like switching up the way I do my tutorials. Usually I do my eyes first, then my face, then I jump back into my eyes. But to make it just a little bit easier to follow my steps, I'm going to try and do my whole face first, and then we'll move back into the eyes, just to make life easier for everyone trying to follow along. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation by Too Faced, and the color that I'm going to be using is Warm Beige. And I'm taking this sponge by Wonder Beauty. It's like my favorite sponge to use for my foundation. This is also my first time using this foundation. I've never used it before. And so far I'm really liking it. And it really does smell like peach. It smells really good. It feels really lightweight, but it's giving me the coverage that you guys know I like, which is like absolute coverage. I don't think I needed this much foundation because a little bit goes a long way, but now I know for next time. And I have a freaking pimple here, and it's driving me nuts. It's like at the worst place it could be on my face, right by my lips. I hate when there's like a pimple in this area, because sometimes to people it don't be looking like a pimple. Next, I'm going to go in with my Diorskin Forever Undercover Concealer in the color 031. Now I'm going to set all of the areas that I used concealer on with my Mercier translucent powder. I like to bake around my mouth because I find that it minimizes the smile lines that I get a lot throughout the day because I find everything funny. So my smile lines are always coming out, and once they're out, it's like hard to kind of disguise it, and when I put more powder over it, it just doesn't look as smooth. So I find that with me putting the baking powder over those smile lines, it definitely decreases how noticeable the smile lines are throughout the day. Next, I'm gonna take this tan powder by Wanderlust. It's my favorite facial powder. Now to contour my face, I'm gonna go in with the Saddle Powder Bronzer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Next, I'm gonna grab this palette by NARS. It is the Wanted 2 palette, and I'm gonna take, I'm gonna take this color. I'm gonna go a little bolder than I normally do with my blushes and apply that to my cheekbones. Oh, my lips is looking chapped. They look dry. That's what I think I hate when you're doing your face. Ugh. It's a pretty color. Now to highlight my face, which is my favorite part, I'm going to be taking the Fuego, packaging is so pretty, the Fuego highlighter by Dose of Colors and Desi Perkins and Katy. I don't know if you could find this anymore, but look at that. Such a pretty highlighter. It's an old collab, so that's why I'm not sure if you can find it, but like I said in my other video, I'm pretty sure somebody out there in the world be reselling makeup. So maybe you could find it online. You never know. Or maybe the website still sells it. I don't even know. Honestly, I don't. But hopefully you guys can find it because it's amazing. Now that my face is done, we're gonna be moving on to my eyes, and I'm gonna be going in with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. And I'm gonna be starting with this color right here and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm gonna take this green and apply that to my crease as well, because once I cut my crease with the concealer, this green is basically what's going to be that transition shade. Alright, now that I'm done doing that eye, I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps but on the opposite eye. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I am using the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Black List Gel Liner. In this look, she has a really bold wing liner, which is right up my alley. So we're gonna go really big and really bold. Now that the liner is done, I'm gonna be applying this LASplash glitter liner in Grindylow. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I'm gonna be applying that on the crease, so basically on the green that's already there. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced Cosmetics. For my lashes, I'm actually going to be switching it up today. For once, I'm going to be using the Miami Lashes by Lilly Lashes. She has a white eyeliner in her waterline, and then she smoked it out on the outside with the green. So I'm going to be going in with the Yeyo pencil liner by Urban Decay. It's Yeyo. So Yeyo, something like that. I must sound like I can't read in all of my tutorials because everything I'm like, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But that's because some of these makeup brands get real creative with like the names of products. So I'm like, I don't know, is that English? Because I'm not that sure. I did my brows off camera, so I'm going to be moving on to my lips, and I'm going to be using the Ciate London Glitter Flip Liquid Liner. I've never used this before, but I've seen a ton of videos on it, and I think it goes on like matte, and then you like massage your lips together, and it turns glittery. So let's see. So I'm gonna let this dry up a little bit and then smack my lips together and let's see if it works. It's so cool. The makeup is officially all done. So I'm just gonna be putting the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist on my face to make me look a little bit more dewy. With this, you only want to put a little bit because usually with sprays, I go above and beyond. And I did that with this spray and I was like, I wasn't even doing anymore. I looked oily. So definitely in moderation with this spray.